new items to your navigation bar. So the first thing you can do is either click Shift L or go to More. Oops, sorry. Click Edit Site Layout, again Shift L. What you'll see again is that you have several options to modify your web page. And so on the side you'll notice that there's an Edit button. Basically what that does is asks you how wide you want it, and then if you want it on this side of your page or this side of your page. So that's about all that button does. Otherwise, if you click the plus button, you actually have several options to add to your sidebar. So examples would be the plus button for Google Plus navigation, which is what most people already have. So they're links basically to pages within your website or other outside web pages. You have text, so you can actually just write text in there. Recent site activity, which if you change things often enough, maybe you would want. Countdown, so I actually have a countdown on mine for each trimester just to show how many days left. Unfortunately, it's total days, not school days. So you do have to tell students that if they do look at that. And then page authors, which again, most of that you won't use. You might use the countdown or the navigation. So if you wanted to have two different navigation bars. And if you'll notice my web page, you'll notice that I have a navigation bar with my main information. So right here, so home, the East Ridge and District home pages, my calendar, those main frequently frequented web pages. I do have another navigation bar which has my co-teachers sites on there, and then just some fun activities. I think this was a text page, so you can just add a text to it. So these are words, and it actually is a link. I created the link to the text. And then finally, here's the countdown to the end of the trimester. And I just wanted to quickly show you that. If I click on that, I can change it each trimester. So let's say it's for trimester 2. I just quickly change it to trimester 2. And then I get to choose the date. So I just click the date. When is the last day of the try? And that is how you quickly change that. So I just quickly change it each trimester to show the end of the try. So that is how you add new navigation bars to your sidebar, or text, or a countdown. Again, you can also delete those, but that is how you do it. And then you just click the close, and it automatically saves. If you have any questions, feel free to email mkarasek@apps.district833.org.